everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the CRM, find items by the activity, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of activity in the search bar in Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. You can easily find any deal in Bitrix24 CRM using the search bar and filters. Select the search criteria, that is the custom fields in the deal or the fields of related item, a contact and a company. We can add the ability to search for entities by the activities. They can be deals with send SMS, incoming emails or link tasks. As you can see in this particular deal dashboard, here we have the filter option. In this particular filter, we have the different types of filter, that is the deal in progress, my deal or closed deal filters. And in the right hand side, we have the different types of field, that is the name, responsible person, total, end date, stage group. Suppose you want to filter out the activity with of any different stage or any different fields. So here we have the options to select that fields over here. So you can select that field with the help of deal, contact, accordingly and the activity. So once you selected that field over here, that fields are appear over here, and from that field also you can search the particular deal activity over here. So this is how you can use the search bar in the particular deal section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.